Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about designing efficiently. As the days get busier, the winter holidays are upon us, you need to work as quickly as possible. For that, working with two hands using a knife is the fastest, most efficient ever. You can just work, cut, place. It's not give it a cut, set your knife down, change hands, place. Much slower. Keep your knife in your hand, give it a cut, place, and as always, I like to use a variety of foliages. 3 is always nice, so some ruscus, salal, and maybe a little fragrant mint, but all designed with 2 hands. Now you know how the pros do it.